All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another one reaching us. How 95% of Yoruba people voted for Peter Obi. All right, my brother, my sister, this one is another strong one. And then right now, it has been said that Peter Obi has caused tribal war between Igbos and the Yorubas. All right, my people, what exactly are we talking about? This had been said by Donu Kagbara. Well, onto this, Donu Kagbara, the media consultant to Presidential Amnesty Program, PAP, has revealed that the Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi being the bigger picture has caused tribal war between the Igbos and the Yorubas. She said 95% of her friends voted for the Labour Party presidential candidate, and then he can assure anyone of that. While speaking in an exclusive interview with Arise TV, Donald Kugbara said that she is concerned about the bigger picture in the story. The Peter Obi thing has caused a tribal war between the Igbos and Yorubas. Especially in Lagos, I can tell you 95% of Yoruba people voted for Peter Obi, and they are even more much pressed than she is right now. Kugbara said that sometimes she is the one always calming and then consoling her friends talking about the issue. She is the one telling them that is Tinubu is really that bad? That is Tinubu really that bad? Okay. All right. And then exactly what we have gathered here. Now, right now, there's been a lot of, a kind of controversies, arguments, and then quarrels, if I may put it in that manner, between the Yorubas and the Igbos. Right now, some set of people will come out to tell you that the Igbos are claiming that they own Lagos. And some set will tell you that the Igbos are of the opinion that nobody owns Lagos. While some set of people are still coming out that Lagos belongs to the Yorubas. And right now, this has caused a lot of issues. The truth of the matter is, as far as Lagos is concerned, in my own opinion, Lagos belongs to the Yorubas. There's no two ways about that. But with what had been going around, I will tell you, my brother, my sister, as far as this 2023 election is concerned, the Igbos, as far as the Igbos are already concerned too, onto this one, nobody is saying the Igbos own Lagos. The Igbos are not saying they own Lagos. All everybody is talking about, which we have no checked a lot of comments, is that they have to vote for the right person that will put smiles in their faces. Everybody is tired. There's nothing like Igbo owns Lagos or Yoruba owns Lagos in the dictionary of the Igbos. All we understand right now is that the people want the right person to take them to a greater land, to a land that will flow with milk and honey, to a better Nigeria whereby you will sleep with electricity, you wake with electricity, whereby you can close your door, sleep, and even when you forget to lock your door, you will not be scared that anything will happen. That is the kind of life everybody is fighting for. Nobody is fighting for. If you are screaming or you are shouting at the top of your voices that, oh, right now what I actually want is I want the Yoruba person to be there, and at the end of it you cannot sleep with your two eyes closed, then what is the need? At the end of it you are still hungry, then what is the need? That is why the wise ones among the Yorubas had come out to vote for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. In case you don't know, how do you want to explain the win of an Igbo man in Lagos State, where we have the Jagaban? To the extent people are now like, oh, in fact, Peter Obi is now the real Jagaban. A lot of people will come out and follow Bola Ahmed Tinubu to the rally. You will see a lot of crowd, my brother, my sister. Majority of them are just coming out to collect their own share of the national cake. It's not everybody. I know a lot of Igbo people that attended that rally of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Not that they went there because they are supporting, but they went there to see if they will be able to get fund. Because as at that time, there was hunger everywhere. You saw almost the whole of Lagos State at that final rally or final campaign. The whole of Lagos were there. Everybody was there on that day. The Igbos, the Hausa, even the Fulanis, they were all there just to see if they will share free money. At the end of it all, they still voted for their Peter Obi. So what are we saying? Don't ever look at the multitude, my brother, my sister. Right now, the fact remains that this lady had come out to revealed that about 95% of Yoruba people voted for Peter Obi. So what is the heck? Why is everybody coming out shouting at the top of their voices that the Igbos want to take over Lagos? They want to collect Lagos. We are talking about good governance right now. The people have suffered. Okay, at a time the set of people were agitating for Biafra, but when they see that, oh, we have seen somebody that can make it happen. On a very good day, nobody wants to say they want to separate from Nigeria. Nobody wants the stress that, oh, we have to go our separate ways. In case you don't know, the Yoruba Nation agitators you are saying, not that they just woke up one day, not that they had it in their mind that, no, we must leave this country a long time ago. No, it has never been like that. But when you have been pushed to the wall, you will wake up. And exactly what it is. The people had been pushed to the wall and then they have to wake up that no. Because a lot of atrocities are being committed in the country. No Yoruba man is coming out to say they want to save them. Even when the Yoruba man has the power to save the people. Look at what happened during NSAS. Do you know how many Yoruba people died? And the Yoruba man that has the power to save them, ran away to another country, was watching. Now, majority of them died. It now got to the time of election. You are coming out to say you want to bless them. And the people saw the person who actually fought for them during the NSAS period, most especially the youth. They noticed, oh, this person is our savior. He will be able to fight for us. Nobody is screaming they want to take over Lagos. For what? Okay, look at what is happening at the Labour Party, the governorship candidate, Dibo. They are so-called, how will I put it, the ESCOs, the chief executive ESCOs of that party. They are all Yoruba people. And what are they saying? They say we are not here to fight about tribalism or ethnicity. What we are here for is the right person that can channel us, lead us right, that can put smiles on our faces. We are all Yorubas. People from Isaleko, they are shouting Labour Party, Labour Party. So what are we saying? My brother, my sister, what exactly is going on? Right now, a lot of people are of the opinion that don't even use the Igbos. Don't use the Igbos as a stepping stone or as an excuse for your misfortune. If the Labour Party finally takes over Lagos, then let it be, provided the Labour Party will be able to take care of the people. Right now, the people have tried. They have been in Lagos for so many times. Nothing had been happening. Look at what has been happening. Kidnapping, killing, rituals have been going on in Lagos State. BRT buses, they will kidnap you. At the end of it all, nothing will happen. Security is not tight. People are dying anyhow. They are kidnapping people in Lagos. From Lagos to Ondo State, you find yourself there. They will tell you it's one chance. Everybody is just fighting for his or her own pocket. Even the security men that are supposed to work to protect the people, they are not doing their job, and then you will not blame them simply because they are not well paid. Nobody sends them. Now we won't die for another person. We be say me where I day on my own self. I never chop. You can't tell me say make I can't feed you. That's exactly what is happening. Right now, there's been a lot of reactions onto this one. You can imagine 95% of Yorubas voted for Peter Obi in Lagos. So what is the heck? We just got some results right now. A lot of things are just being exposed. That the real result, a Russian boy who hacked INEC server, you can imagine, released the actual result. And in that actual result, Peter Obi scored 13 million votes. And they gave him 6 million votes, my brother, my sister. The same Bola Ahmed Tinubu that they said won with a margin of that got about 8 million votes. At the end of it all, now 5 million votes. It was 5 million votes that was recorded. The real results. Everything is online right now. God is exposing them one after the other. Atiku actually came second. Yes. The real result, Peter Obi came first with 13 million votes. Then the person that they gave 8 million votes that everybody said won the election got just 5 million APC. My brother, my sister, a lot of things are being exposed right now as we are talking. INEC portal was hacked by a Russian boy. My brother, my sister, now go hear many things. Many things will unfold. The people came out, they voted for their choice. They don't want to suffer anymore. Some set of people came out. The next thing they had to go and race down the popular Igbo market at Akere market there. So that what will happen? Who at the end of it all, who will suffer it? Don't forget that a lot of Yoruba people were actually working also in that market, making their ends meet. Don't get it twisted. All these have been exposed. We got the information. Even they themselves actually they came several times to warn the people that they were going to burn even in the daytime until they came at the middle of the night. So who is now deceiving who? Now the saga everywhere right now is that the Igbos are claiming they want to collect Lagos. Why would Igbo in the first place say they want to take Lagos when they know that Lagos belongs to the Yorubas? Igbos will never say that. In other words, what this set of people are trying to say is that Igbos definitely had won Lagos. Meaning a lot of people love what the Igbos are doing and then they love what they will definitely do at the end of it all. Okay, you can imagine the other time the Oba of Elegushi came out and he was of the opinion that as far as Yoruba nation is concerned, that those people they are how did he even use that word? That they are worthless people. That those set of Yoruba agitators, they are people that are just seeking for fame. They are nobody in the society. Miscreants. Lot of negative names were given to these people. And at the end of it all, he said, if they even at the end of it, if they eventually win or the Yoruba nation got actualized, that they are on their own, that Lagos will not go with them. And now the set of Yoruba nation agitators are now angry that if that is the case, thank God the Igbos right now are saying they own Lagos. Let's see who will fight for you. In fact, Igbo will take over Lagos after 4 years. Another 4 years they will take over. Before you know it, the Fulani too will resume. Then tell me where you belong. So this time around, it's not all about the fact that some set of people are coming out to say they own Lagos. No, nobody is claiming they own Lagos. Everyone knows Lagos belongs to the Yorubas. But the right thing needs to be done. The people are tired. The people are fed up. This is so unfortunate, my brother, my sister. It's so unfortunate. All right, and then right now, a lot of people do have actually reacted in different forms. This is so serious. Well, according to Joshua K2, he said this is because the Yoruba man thinks he must always rule over other ethnic nationalities in the south, just as the core northern always think about himself. The equation must be balanced. Okay, this has been said by Joshua. Well, according to Samuel, his name is Samuel. So, well, no, Peter Obi didn't cause any war. Okay. He said, no, Peter Obi didn't cause any war between Igbos and the Yorubas because Igbos voted for Obasanjo, Abiola, and then both got the highest vote in Igbo land. Rather, the Yoruba caused war between Igbos and the Yorubas. Yorubas burning Igbo shops, Igbo doesn't. The Kindle the Yoruba is putting up now will burn beyond. So Yoruba should allow peace to reign. You can imagine. You can imagine. That's exactly what we are talking about. Well, according to Oluwasegun Olamide on his own part says, well, the Yorubas that voted for Peter Obi know that both federal and the state government had failed the people. So youth are determined to retire all old and then greedy politicians. Very simple. Very simple. And exactly what it is. The people just want a better life. Okay, do you want to tell me that Fast the bad guy is an Igbo man? No. But he voted for Peter Obi now. He's a Yoruba guy. At least that's a celebrity I can even put out to you. Then let's talk about this, what's his name? Mr. Macaroni. He's a Yoruba guy. They all voted for Peter Obi. So what is the heck, my brother, my sister? This is so serious. The Igbos came out one after the other. In fact, the celebrity, one of the celebrity that a popular Nollywood actor, I always talk about him. And then I was listening to him, Yul Edochie, the son of Peter Edochie. He made it clear. He says, as far as Lagos is concerned, no Igbo man will come out to say Lagos belongs to an Igbo man or the Yoruba man does not own Lagos. Then we must be fooling ourselves. He came out categorically. He cleared the air that Lagos belongs to the Yorubas, not we the Igbos. He made it clear. He said he had been in Lagos for about 11 years. He built his house in Lagos. And the Agberos, the boys always see him and they hail him. They praise him anytime they see him. Oh, our superstar, our this. He gives them money. Nobody had fought him. So, where did you now hear that the Igbos want to take over Lagos? Peter, the P Square, an Igbo man, he came out. He made it clear that the Igbos and the Yorubas have been working together, that we love each other. To the extent he married a Yoruba woman. So what is the heck? He married a Yoruba woman. And he made it clear. No Igbo man is saying they want to take over the Lagos from the Yorubas. Because Lagos belongs to the Yoruba people. This is bad. This is bad. Well, we just all need to tackle it the way it is. As far as this movement is concerned, my brother, my sister, the people have made it clear. In fact, I love what one of the commentators said. He said, if that is the case, let all the presidential candidates, let all of them, one after the other, go to their region. You be a president in your region. You be a president in your region, so that peace will reign. Then automatically they are trying to tell us that Yoruba nation can stand, the Biafra can stand, and the Arewa. So I think that's just the whole thing right now, because we see no reason why some set of people will now be fighting the other set of people simply because they want to get there by all means. Baba God, now your hand with it. All right, my people, majority of things do are actually be said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.